Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Excel Master. Today we are going to see how Format Painter saves time. Here I have entered a list for example and I have changed the format of these cells for my convenience. Now I want to change the format of these cells like this. For this we can use Format Painter, which is over here. First we have to select the cells from which the format is to be copied, and then click on the Format Painter and then select the cells to which the format to be applied. It's done. Now instead of doing this repeatedly, we can double click on the Format Painter and we can select in which cells we need the format. If we need this format in the whole range, we can simply select the Format Painter and then select the whole range, and then it's done. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.